Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we'll explain the trades we provided in the free group and the logic we use in both the VIP and free groups to generate signals. If you're new here and want to join us, the links are available in the description, so go check them out. Let's move on to the video. The session starts here with the first trade we shared on EURCAD for a downside move in the public group. The logic behind this trade was that 4 consecutive candles had formed, and the last candle showed rejection toward the downside, which is why we provided a sell signal, and it resulted in a clean win. Moving on to the next trade, which we provided on CADCHF for a downside move in the VIP group, the logic was based on a clear downtrend, the presence of a moving average, and a resistance level. Based on these factors, we gave a sell signal, and this trade was also a clean win. Next, we moved to another trade on AUDJPY for a downside move in the VIP group. Here again, the market was in a downtrend with a moving average acting as resistance. You can see that the candle respected the moving average and faced rejection from it, which is why we provided a sell signal, and this was also a clean win. Overall, we won 3 non-martingale trades. If you want to access these signals, you can message us on Telegram. The links are available in the description. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any topics or suggestions, feel free to comment below. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.